Welcome to this complete Zagreb, Croatia travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Zagreb is a city brimming with historical charm and modern vibrancy. It's a place where the past and present dance together in a beautiful ballet of culture and life. Today, we'll take you on a tour through 10 of the most iconic locations in this Croatian capital. We'll wander the hushed streets of the upper and lower towns, steeped in centuries of history. We'll admire the awe-inspiring architecture of St. Mark's Church and Zagreb Cathedral, two of the city's most beloved landmarks. We'll take a stroll down the bustling Tkalčićeva Street and visit the lively Dolak Market. We'll pay our respects at the Miroje Cemetery, explore the unique Museum of Broken Relationships, and find tranquility in the Botanical Garden. Lastly, we'll soak in the serene beauty of Jaren Lake. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey through the heart of Croatia. First stop, Gornji Grad, Zagreb's upper town. Nestled atop a hill, this gem is the very heart of Zagreb, pulsing with a history that dates back to the Middle Ages. It's the kind of place where every cobblestone, every nook and cranny whispers tales of bygone eras. Wandering through the maze of narrow, winding streets, you'll encounter a charming blend of medieval and Baroque architecture, punctuated by the occasional modern touch. It's a delightful mix of old and new, tradition and innovation. Gornji Grad's buildings carry the weight of centuries, their stone facades standing as silent sentinels of the city's rich past. The area's character is as varied as its architecture, with quiet, leafy squares providing a tranquil escape from the bustling city below. Here, time seems to slow down, inviting you to soak in the atmosphere. So take a moment, breathe deeply, and let the spirit of Gornji Grad wash over you. Stepping into Gornji Grad is like stepping into a time machine, isn't it? The stone's throw away stands the iconic St. Mark's Church. This remarkable edifice is a living testament to centuries of history, with its roots dating back to the 13th century. The church's most distinctive feature is undoubtedly its vibrant tiled roof, a dazzling mosaic that bears the medieval coat of arms of Croatia, Dalmatia and Slavonia on the left, and the emblem of Zagreb city on the right. Renowned for its architectural beauty, St. Mark's Church is a brilliant blend of Gothic and Romanesque elements. The intricate sculptures adorning the southern portal are especially noteworthy, representing an exquisite tableau of biblical scenes that seem to speak volumes about the artistic prowess of their creators. As you take in the splendor of this architectural gem, it's easy to feel a deep sense of connection to Zagreb's rich past. Every stone, every tile seems to whisper tales of bygone eras, echoing the heartbeat of the city itself. A true testament to Zagreb's rich history, wouldn't you agree? Next, we visit the awe-inspiring Zagreb Cathedral. Rising high above the city, this stunning structure is not just an important place of worship, but also a symbol of Zagreb's rich history. Its towering spires, visible from almost every corner of the city, beckon visitors towards its grandeur. As you step inside, the cathedral's interior takes your breath away. Its intricate artwork, gilded details, and the mesmerizing play of light through the stained glass windows create an atmosphere of tranquility and reverence. This is a place where art and spirituality intertwine, leaving an indelible impression on all who visit. The cathedral's history is as compelling as its architecture. Surviving earthquakes and wars, it stands today as a testament to the city's resilience. Each stone, each carving, tells a story of faith, endurance, and the passage of time. Truly a beacon of faith and architectural magnificence. The Zagreb Cathedral is a must-visit spot on your journey through this captivating city. Let's now stroll down the vibrant Tkalčićeva Street and visit the bustling Dolak Market. Tkalčićeva Street is a lively symphony of sights and sounds. With a colorful array of shops and restaurants, it's a place where the city's heart beats loud and clear. As you walk, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the scent of delectable local cuisines, wafting from the many cafes and eateries. Here you'll find everything from traditional Croatian dishes to international fare, all served with a side of warm hospitality. And then there's Dolak Market. It's not just a market, it's a vibrant hub of life and culture. With its rows of fresh produce stalls, it's a place where the city's culinary heart beats. Here, locals and visitors alike haggle over the price of juicy fruits, fresh vegetables, and fragrant herbs. The air is rich with the scent of ripe produce and the chatter of bartering voices. A sensory feast indeed. Let us now descend to the energetic lower town. As we delve into Donji Grad, you'll soon find that this is the modern heartbeat of Zagreb. This part of town pulses with life, from the bustling squares filled with locals and tourists alike to the countless cafes serving up the finest Croatian coffee. What truly sets Donji Grad apart, however, are the art galleries that dot its landscape. These galleries, often nestled between charming boutiques and trendy restaurants, house a myriad of masterpieces from local Croatian artists to renowned international creators. Whether you're an art connoisseur or a casual observer, these galleries provide a vibrant splash of culture that simply can't be missed. And as the sun dips low, illuminating the streets in a soft golden hue, there's nothing quite like a leisurely stroll along the tree-lined avenues, soaking in the harmonious blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair. Donji Grad, a perfect blend of the old and new. Our next stops, the Serene Miroje Cemetery and the unique Museum of Broken Relationships. Miroje Cemetery, not your typical tourist spot, but its tranquility and beauty are worth a visit. Nestled amidst lush greenery, this cemetery is a peaceful oasis, an architectural masterpiece with its arcades, domes and ornate tombstones. Now let's shift gears to a different kind of memorial, the Museum of Broken Relationships. Exhibiting personal objects left from former lovers, this museum explores the complexities of human relationships. Each artifact tells a unique, often emotional tale of love and loss. From teddy bears to wedding dresses, the items on display are as diverse as the stories behind them. These two places may seem somber, but they offer a profound perspective on life, love, and everything in between. They remind us that every ending is also a new beginning, and that each goodbye carries the promise of a new hello. A poignant reminder of life and love, don't you think? Finally, let's unwind at the lush Zagreb Botanical Garden and the serene Jaren Lake. Stepping into the Zagreb Botanical Garden is like entering a living, breathing encyclopedia of the world's flora. Established in the late 19th century, this verdant oasis is home to over 10,000 species, both native and exotic. As you meander through the neatly arranged beds and glass houses, you'll encounter a diverse range of plants from all corners of the globe. From the Mediterranean's olive and fig trees to the Asian bamboo groves and even the towering cacti of the Americas. The garden is a testament to the beauty and variety of our planet's plant life. And it's not just about the plants. The garden is also a sanctuary for wildlife. The tranquil ponds teem with life, their surfaces often broken by the darting of dragonflies or the splash of a diving duck. The garden is also home to a multitude of birds who fill the air with their melodious songs. The beautiful harmony of flora and fauna makes the botanical garden an ideal spot for a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. But the tranquility doesn't end there. As we leave the botanical garden, we journey to the city's outskirts and find ourselves at Jaren Lake. This man-made lake is a popular retreat for locals and visitors alike. Encircled by a picturesque cycling and jogging path, the lake offers a myriad of recreational activities. Whether you're keen on rowing, sailing, or simply enjoying a leisurely picnic by its shimmering waters, Jaren Lake is a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts. As the sun sets, the lake transforms into a vibrant social hub. The lakeside cafes and clubs come alive with music and laughter, making it a fantastic place to end a day of exploration. And so, our journey through Zagreb draws to a close. From the historic upper and lower towns to the peaceful botanical garden and vibrant Jaren Lake, we've seen the many faces of this charming city. Zagreb, a city that truly has something for everyone. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Zagreb comes to an end. We've traversed the cobblestone lanes of Donji Grad, marveled at the vibrant tiles of St. Mark's Church, and stood in awe at the towering Zagreb Cathedral. We've tasted local flavors along Tkalkachiva Street, haggled for fresh produce at Dolak Market, and strolled the elegant avenues of Donji Grad. We've felt the solemn beauty of Miroje Cemetery and laughed, cried, and pondered at the Museum of Broken Relationships. We've breathed in the serenity of Zagreb Botanical Garden and ended our journey with a relaxing stroll around the serene Jaren Lake. Each location, each experience etching a unique memory, painting a vibrant picture of this charming city. It's been a pleasure sharing the hidden gems and well-trodden paths of Zagreb with you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy travels.